Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is an AirXwills mini tyre inflator and this is something I got recently for my electric bike. I wanted to be able to pump the tyres up if I'm out and about and I wanted something quite portable and I came across this. Now it also will work for your car, your motorcycle and also any sporting type equipment like balls and things that need air in it. So it's quite a handy little mini tyre inflator. So anyway, let's get it out of the box and see if this is something that also might be useful to you as well. So the first thing out of the box is a very small manual, and this will cover the operation of the unit and tell you how to switch it on and also all the accessories that it comes with. So that's the first thing out of the box. Next are a couple of accessories, and these are for doing inflation on different types of items that need different types of fittings. So you've got this particular one here, and then you've got some here which look like for a ball and other types of connections. So it gives you quite a variety of different connections for inflating various different tyres, which is also very good. Also comes with the very standard one, that this is the one that I probably will use the most, and this will fit my tyres on my bike but also my car as well. So this is quite good that they include this one, and I do like that they've got the latch mechanism version. Some of them don't include that. And the hose is of a reasonable length. It's about 30 centimeters long, so it is quite a good size length. Also comes with this particular cable, and this is for charging the device, and unfortunately it has its own priority charging end, which is a bit of a nuisance. So if you lose this cable you're going to have a bit of trouble because it's not a standard USB charging cable, but it does include it in the box at least. Also comes with this little carry bag, and this is to carry the mini air pump plus some of those accessories I showed you. So it's pretty good they include some sort of carry bag with it too, which is good. And finally we've got the mini tyre inflator, and as you can see it is pretty small and compact. It's not much bigger than say a flashlight torch, and it's not too heavy to hold in one's hand, which is nice. Now on the bottom is where you charge it with the USB cable that I showed you earlier. On the top you've got an LED light, and you've also got the connection for the different hoses and things you want to add to the actual tyre pump. On here we've got the controls. Now if you push this button it will turn it on, and I have it set for PSI, which is what I would use for most of my stuff here. And then you've got little icons. At the moment it's showing a ball, but if you press it a few times it will change to a bike, and then a motorcycle and a car, and then back to a ball. And you can adjust the PSI with the plus and minus, and then the top button will activate the actual pump and we'll start making the pump air into something. So next I'll show you me just pumping some air into one of my bike tyres so you can see what it's like, and then I'll give you my final thoughts at the end of this video. Well, there you go. There's my quick look and unboxing of this mini AirXwills tyre inflator, and overall I think this is awesome. It's just what I was after for my bike. It fits nice and compact on the back of my bike in my little bike carry bag. You could also probably strap it to the bar on the bike if you've got a bigger bike, but mine's not so big because it's a folding one. But overall this is great, and it also works quite fine doing your car tyres. So I can definitely recommend this as an emergency air pump if you're out and about with your car. But if you've got a bike, this is definitely recommended for that because it's nice and compact, small and easy to use. So overall I think this is a good buy. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.